Good afternoon from the Commerce Station. It is tuned afternoon. I was at the LA Rail Fest earlier. Got here about an hour ago. Missed out on a Bear Table 1665, but I caught a CSX leader. So yeah, but first train of the day I'm about to catch right now is the eastbound leaving Hobart. So I think this is a Z train from what I can see. Alright. Yeah, right now is the moment they're doing some track work on main 2, so tracks 1 and 3 are open as of the moment. Not sure when main 2 will be available for service again. Alright, here we go. Yeah, this looks like a Z train to me. Slowly leaving Hobart, a couple minutes before 2 in the afternoon. The leader is 7793. Hobart. Not sure when the next train will pass, but pretty sure it will be 1664. All right, it is 2:08 right now, so we have something about a pass right now. Looks like a light power move, could be the B-LACLAC or something, I don't know. We'll see what it is. Alright guys, it is a minute before 3 in the afternoon here. Let's see what we're about to have pass right now. This might be a late Barvern. Alright guys, here we go. It is 3:33 right now, so we have a port stacker about to pass. This is a little interesting, but he's on main 2 right now. But there's a diverging clear on main 3 that could, which is 4779. So I think this guy's gonna come to a stop on main 2. Let 779 go in front of him, and then he would resume on its way. So yeah. Alright, here we go. $41.50. Yeah, he's coming to a stop in main 2. Later, at the right moment, 779 passing with 6904 and 2116. 580 is. He should have passed about 10 minutes ago. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on, but I haven't, no, 580 hasn't even left the lake. So yeah, he's gonna get moving in like in about, I don't know, probably a minute to 2 minutes, but we'll see. Alright guys, it is 3:41 right now, so the port stacker's been stopped for a couple minutes, but it's back on the move right now. So yeah, right behind 779. Oh, 580 left late. You know what, guys? 580 left the lake at 3:28. So he's gonna pass in like in 2 minutes. So you know what? That's probably the guy I saw down there. Yeah, the port stacker's back on the move right now. I'm pretty sure this is gonna be a long one. Someone just arrived right now. Oh, you know, 343 right now. And move the camera around so 580 is about a 10.5, like right now. Here we go. Yeah, right there. No, right there. There we go. Yeah, that's fine. Yeah, guys, so the port is back on the move. 580 is about a pass right now with the comment center turbine. Alright guys, there goes the port stacker down in Long Beach. All right, guys, it is 3:49 right now. We have an eastbound port stacker about to pass on Main 3 right now. right, it is 4:38 p.m. right now. Here's 581 to LA from Irvine. Oh yeah, he's flying. Alright guys, it is 4:39 right now. Just had 581 pass me right now. I have an eastbound power move again. 4670. Alright guys, it is 5 minutes before 5 and late afternoon here. Got an eastbound about to pass right now on Main 2. Pulling out of Hobart. Alright, here we go. Oh yeah, they're smoking out good. Or you know what, this could be a Z train, another one. We'll see. Alright guys, it is 5:23 right now. Looks like we have an inbound Q train in the Hobart right now. Yeah, I'm not sure when 74 is going to pass. Oh, he's down there. Calvin, 74 is down there.
74, what's that? It's just an ordinary set?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, this guy's going into Hobart for sure. Yeah, he's slowing down. Probably has his dynamics on. So, yeah. But I don't know why he's so slow. Anyways, here we go. There's 2 units up front. I think he left LA on time. It doesn't say on the tracker. And that looks like 7198 leading. Yep, his dynamics are on, I can hear it. At the same time, 784's about to pass in any minute now. $71.98. And $51.85. Alright, here's 784 to Irvine. $21.15 and 01. I don't know why they put them on main 2. That's weird.
We probably might have another train out of Hobart then.
Probably. But there's a port. Sorry, but there's a port stacker waiting all the way down there.
On main 2, I think.
Yeah. Well, that's because they were repairing the track earlier.
Yeah,
there hasn't been anything on main 2 since now.
I saw your post on especially with the CSX train right next to the working crew. That's interesting.
Yeah.
We should probably see a DPU on this train.
I don't know, we'll see. Oh, you should have seen my story on that, what, like at least 2.5 mile long port stacker I caught.
Oh, I see you catching the common train. I saw the post already.
Oh, yeah.
You cut it right now.
Yeah, and it was late.
Well, 1988 is basically one of the LDTC. Just trying to leave third, so it's not really like huge catch, because we just caught it yesterday.
Yeah, and you were there the entire day just to catch it.
It's only like 7 hours.
7.5 hours just to wait for 1988 coming in so late. God damn.
We arrived on the Metrolink on 8400, the last train going eastwards.
Yeah.
Actually, no, the first train going
Oh, look,
eastward
it's coming to a stop right now.
before afternoon.
And it's 5:27.
It was the first train going eastward before the afternoon. No, the last train, no, they were doing the same thing.
Alright guys, it's 5:30 right now, so yeah. Your train will stop for a couple minutes, but he's proceeding into Hobart now.
Not high cubes? No. Don't they run? Those are high cubes, they're like high priority, aren't they?
I haven't seen them. I've just seen like stuff like this where it's like
General Memphis?
yeah, general like where it's like that kind of well part and that like
Single stacked it.
yeah, like the like small one. Like yesterday you see like look at the part and you saw like how small they were.
They always like the single stacked
I wish 160 went out on train 4. That's gotta hurt.
I'm assuming they did a pretty bad job. You can hear it.
Yeah, like I said, I wish they put 160 on train 4 today. That would have been sick, but he's coming down on train 3 tomorrow. So.
Metro South to do anything when they have a tap car, just literally pretty ahead.
Yeah.
But these are like collectible. They sell on the snow for like, I think it's $5 per tap card. They can get a bundle for like $20.
That tap card.
Yeah. Like all the other stuff, like the brochures they gave us. Ouch. There's a lot of stuff they're working on. They had a whole bunch of them, so pretty much everyone had a chance to get it. What about you? No? And then this one is just my favorite. Because it has, this is on the cap card on one of the back ones, so you can find the logo. This is mine. And I just like it because it just looks pretty nice. The design. Basically, a
Oh wow, that's pretty cool.
it's a map on the build. So like, I think it's updated to Pomona North, I think.
Yeah, they just opened it yesterday, the new extension. All right, here's the end of it. So, waiting for train 4 to pass.
There's only 2 engines.
Yeah, so it's not a very long train.
Train San Benitez is also.
All right, guys, there goes that Q train into Hobart. All right, guys, here's train 4. Alright guys, there goes train 4 to Chicago. Alright guys, it's 5:51 right now, so I think we have an eastbound port stop here about to pass. Let's go. Alright guys, it is 5:54 right now. Here comes the watt bar. About to pass on main 1 right now. All right, guys, there goes Watts Bar on its way back to Barstow.
Another one?